Hello everyone, my name is Berlin. On today's video, I am going to show you how I color my hair black. I always do black, no colors for me. Black always look more healthier, so I tend to stick with black. So I guess this is more like a refresh look. So the products that I'm going to be using is the Revlon. And I use the black. And let me show you what comes in the box. Okay, it comes with the developer, the color, the conditioner, and the instruction with the gloves. And what I do, I take the developer, open that up, and the color, you can just pour it in here. And then you shake it. I use about 3 bottles. You just clip. Okay, everything is ready. And so what I do, I part my hair into 2 sections. And on the edges, I go in with some petroleum so that the hair does not, so that the color does not stain my face. It's really easy to do, guys. The back of the head. Put some on my ears, a little bit on my ears. Repeating the same process on the other side. Okay, my hair is parted. I try to do four sections. I double up on the gloves because the gloves are pretty thin. If you have like latex, I would suggest you use that because sometimes the color seems to go through this. I'm gonna start in the back and then start in the back. I shook this, give it another shake. And I'll start in the back. Moving on to the opposite side, I'm just gonna repeat the process. Let me go ahead and speed up this a little bit. Moving to the front. Another great tip, guys, is whenever you color your hair, try to wear black. Or something that you don't really care about, an outfit that you don't care about, because it can get a little messy. I have not retightened my hair in so long. So once I'm done coloring it, I guess I'll do another video on how I retighten my hair. speed this up. What made me decide to color my hair? I found 2 little gray hair last week, and they seem like they're multiplying. So I've been watching YouTube for a very long time. And during the pandemic, I decided, you know what? I want to do YouTube. Even though I've been saying it for a while, but I've always been so scared. I don't know why. I guess whenever you're entering something new, it could be a little scary. So I was just a little nervous getting started. So I put out a few videos and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and conquer my fear, no matter how good or bad it does. At least I know I've tried. So here I am. So the instructions say to leave it for about 25 minutes. And if you have like color in your hair, or if you have white hair, if you're going gray, you can leave it for an additional 25 minutes. I like mine to be dark, so I'm gonna leave it for an additional 25 minutes, so, or more. So I would say about an hour. I'm leaving mine for an hour so that it's dark. And this is also good too if you don't feel like picking the lint out of your hair. Diet. Just going through it and making sure that I got the color throughout my hair. Yep. I think it's good. Make sure I get my hands. I have one more section to go, so I am going to speed up the process. So I am coming to the end of this video. I can't wait to see the end results, and I can't wait to show you guys the end results. Very messy process, and especially if you're trying to do it by yourself, it can be very messy. Just like that. I'm not a singer, but I am silly. So I'm gonna leave this on for about an hour and I will be back. I'm gonna back up a little so you guys can see the length of my hair. And I am going to retwist my hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.